Hey guys, this is Shauna Jones, the CEO and founder of LivBay Lash here in Las Vegas. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your lash clientele and how to do special things for your first-time lash clients. So at LivBay Lash, we do a ton of things like referrals and loyalty programs to get clients in the door, along with a lot of money on marketing. So for new clients, we offer $10 off their service, and we also give them a free lash goodie bag. We also do referral credits. So if someone refers someone to LivBay and they book a mega set, we offer them $20 off their next service. And then anything else under that, we offer them $10 off their next service. We offer the referral program because we know that we are gaining a long-term client just from word of mouth. So we definitely want to give the person who referred them a credit towards their service just to show our appreciation for that. So ways to keep your clientele is different incentives to keep your clients always coming back. At LivBay, we do have a loyalty program. So basically, after their 7th full fill, their 8th fill is 50% off. And people love that. They look forward to it. And it's also awesome because, lashes are a luxury and things do get expensive. So them coming in and knowing that their next fill is 50% off, it keeps them coming in and wanting to stay a part of LivBay. So some things that we have our front desk do when we have new clients is we have them fill out a new waiver, but in that waiver, we ask them how they heard about LivBay. So for us as a company, that gives us a great idea which marketing techniques are working, but also we're gathering their information like their phone number and their email. So that way they're in our system as a long-term client. So we can email them and we can notify them until they basically unsubscribe from us or they're no longer booking with us. So it's crucial when you have all your clients' information to actually use it. So just depending on the booking system that you have, we use Booker, so we're able to send out different promos. The whole point of collecting their information is to use it to get them to always be coming back and to take advantage of certain promos. That way they're in our system and they're being utilized for marketing purposes and different promo ideas. So at LivBay, we're just huge on experiences. So it's not just them getting a service. It is an entire experience with the atmosphere, the front desk, their artists, and everything. At the end of their service, they do get a free goodie bag. Inside that goodie bag, they get a free lash cleanser. They get a lash wand. Inside one of our old lash trays, we reuse it and we put Aftercare instructions in it. We also have our artists and our front desk go over Aftercare, so that way, they know exactly how to care for their lashes, so that will help with any retention issues or them coming in before their next scheduled fill. They think of that as value, so they love getting free gifts. It's super cute. It really is up to you as a business how much free things you want to put into that bag. With us, it does total about $15. So clients just love getting that and it helps them care for their lashes as well. Some other incentives that we do for our clients is we offer $10 off for selfies. They have to post it on their social media feed. It's a great way for us to get exposure because they're wearing our lashes, but we offer them $10 off for their next service for that. We also do monthly promotions. So we'll do things with gift cards. If they spend $150 on a gift card, they get a free 30-minute service. So things like these are always just keeping our clients coming back and excited and happy and supporting our business. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value. Question for you is, what do you do to keep your clients coming back? Go ahead and comment below. We hope to see you guys in the next video.